got a nice straight line along there, along the top there. Yeah.
After barely 3 days in the school, work on the chairs is progressing rapidly. Everyone is ecstatic with their achievement. There's a real sense of the almost magical properties of green wood craft.
Beautiful. Okay, so now you've got to do the acid test.
Student bodgers are encouraged to test the strength of a natural clamped joint, literally with the weight of their own body.
Up. Yeah, come on. You can do it, boy, you can do it. Hey! I spend probably about 20 days a year, I should think, doing craft fair demonstrations. And what's evolved into being my party piece there is making a baby's rattle.
Mike makes this look so simple, but it takes years of experience to part 3 perfectly equal loose rings from one solid piece of wood.
And there you have it. One little baby rattle.